everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits, you get a little bit of life, a lot of puppies right now, and you get PA weather. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura, and yes, I have furry sidekicks. The number is up to 4 now. So we have Harvey the kitty. You don't see that much because he does whatever he wants. And now we have 3 puppies who are all chewing on kebab sticks right now because they were a little wound up. So I'm sure you will see them throughout this video at some point. So the Beagle is Dexter. The Jack Russell is Willie. And the Westie is Loki. And they will bring a lot of noise to every one of my videos. All right, so it's Sunday and I have a lot to do today. It's only 46 degrees. So after last week was, during the week, it was 80. And then we get to the weekend and yesterday was freezing. It was like rainy and in the 40s. And then today is only 46 right now. It is supposed to get to 61, but good news is the sun is out. So it already feels better than yesterday did. And I have lots to do, videos to plan and do. I have traveling this week towards the end of the week. So a lot of organization. Plus my house is trashed. Like there's just puppy paraphernalia everywhere. And the cable company is coming tomorrow to switch out my service. So that should be interesting. It's a mess. All right. So for today's outfit, I am very, very comfortable as I have been spending a lot more time outside with the puppers, as well as I'm hoping to get a little bit of yard work done today. We'll see how that goes. So I just have on Loft denim. These are the fun ones that have like the crossover closure. I have on a Project Social Tee sweatshirt from a Wantable, and I'm just wearing my flip-flops today. These are by Sanuk. I had another pair of really awesome gold Sanuks and the puppies ate them. So I'm trying to protect this pair. And for jewelry, I didn't put anything extra on today. I have just my earrings and my regular permanent bracelets, and that's it. All right, so we're going to get to it, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. Everyone's here except for Dexter. I'm not sure where he is, to be honest. But Willie and Loki are here. It's been a busy day. We had to get up early and get ready quickly because we had the cable company coming to change out our service. So that was a busy morning, huh? And it is a sunny day. Ow, 65 degrees, getting up to 74. No biting, no biting. Ow, no biting. No, no, no. So, beautiful, sunny, gorgeous day today, of course, because it's Monday. It's not the weekend anymore. And my Curator for spring posted today. I thought it was a really great box. I really enjoyed that one. So I hope you stop by and check that out. For my outfit today, as Loki is trying to chew me alive, I chose, ow, let's see, ow, a Loft t-shirt and a Loft tank. I threw on a Liverpool jacket from a Wantable, or no, this was from a JV Stylebox, this jacket. And then for shoes, my Dolce Vita gold heels. Shh, your voice is very piercing, very piercing. And for my normal jewelry, I put on my Louis, ow, he just went straight from my arm. There's no holding back, man. Whew. My bracelet stack, my necklace. That's it for today. He can be vicious. Tell him you're vicious. See, there you go. You can see what he's doing. All right, we'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. Loki is fired up today for some reason. He can be such a cute little cuddle bug, but today he's being crazy. So he and Willie are in the room with me. Dexter is downstairs. My husband gave them all a chew stick, but the other 2 seem to already be over it. They'll go back to it. It's such a warm, beautiful day. It's 80 degrees right now. It's in the afternoon. And I love every minute of it, except for I'm inside almost all day today, and I could be in the pool. And of course, the weekend is going to be like 50. So anyway, for outfit of the day today, because I'm running around running all around after dogs outside. I have on Pistola shorts from a Trendsend. I have on an Evereve sweater top from a Trendsend. Threw on my, and no, I do not chase the dogs in these, but to run out, I put on my Louis Vuitton sandals. Otherwise, I'm just in flip-flops chasing the puppers. Have on my bracelet stack and my necklaces, my Mother's Day gift, and the necklace my husband got me, and I also have an Ana Luisa necklace on, and that is my outfit today. All right, I'm going to get back to the craziness. I'll catch you tomorrow. I am traveling, so I'm going to see you pretty early in the morning. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday morning, and I am trying to get out of the door. It's puppy madness at 4:46 in the morning. Puppy madness, that's all I can say. And for outfit of the day today, I have on jeans from Anthropologie by Pilcro. I have an Evereve top on that I got a long time ago in a Trendsend. Topped it off with this gorgeous jacket from White House Black Market. And how about these fun shoes from Dolce Vita? Love these. I have on my usual bracelet stack, my necklaces I've been wearing quite a bit, and I think I'm ready to go. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It's supposed to be only 69 degrees today. It's already 58, cloudy, so I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is a little before 7 in the morning, 49 degrees outside, but getting up to 79 today, and it's going to be sunny. I think the rain starts tomorrow for the weekend. It's crazy. And for outfit of the day today, I have on Citizens of Humanity denim from the Evereve store. I have on a Loft tank. I put on this awesome BlankNYC jacket that I got at Anthropologie. How about these fun Dolce Vita shoes? Love, love, love. And for jewelry, it's the exact same as yesterday. So Ana Luisa necklace, my Mother's Day necklace, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. That was quick. All right, tomorrow's Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. Loki is very loud today. Very wound up. They're all very wound up. They just came inside, and there's one. Here's two. There's Willie, always bitey. Now they'll chew on each other up here. Okay. It's a beautiful day outside. It is 68 degrees, getting up to 74. The wind is blowing, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous day today. I do have to give a huge thank you to Catherine and Nelson and David, who sent me this amazing card all the way from across the pond in the United Kingdom. I love this. Stop biting. And I so appreciate it, you know, and your kind and sincere words about Wyatt and Zena, and it means the world to me. So a huge thank you. I loved it. I love that it made such a trip. Okay. My Stitch Fix posted on Wednesday, and it was a really, really good one. I thought it was great for just basics, right? I don't think there's anything there that was just amazing, but it was such great basics that I wanted to keep it all. In the end, I ended up... It's crazy here. I ended up keeping everything but the jeans. So the jeans, as you know, didn't fit well. I ended up not keeping. Loki, no biting. No biting. I ended up keeping everything but the jeans. So it was a 4 out of 5. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the jeans, but it's all good. And for outfit of the day today, in the zoo, I have on... Let's see, I have on a, a dress from Wantable. It's by Z Supply. I haven't seen it yet. I just filmed it, I think, last weekend, and it hasn't posted yet, but I love this. It's just an easy one and done. I had to get ready quickly this morning. Threw on this really awesome vest from Liverpool that I got at a boutique. And then my shoes, these are the best. These are by Dolce Vita. How awesome are these? I love them. And for jewelry, my bracelet stack, my Louis necklace, and I think that's it today. I got this amazing bracelet from my friend Lisa. You guys know her also as my CABI stylist. How pretty is that? Can you guys see it has Wyatt and Zena's name on it with a little heart? Is that not amazing? So I've been wearing it all the time as well. So if you're catching that on this hand, that's what it is. And so what are we going to do about Happy Dance? I think the majority was where I was leaning towards, and we'll do something different than Happy Dance, which was Wyatt's thing, and does make me a little bit sad that he's not here to do it. So instead of me crying every time on Friday when it's time for Happy Dance, I think for right now, while the puppies are young and little, we'll do a Friday funny. How does that sound? It might be anything from a story that I tell you to a video or picture that I capture. And this time it's going to be a video. I think I did already post this on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do, because you're going to get a lot more puppy shenanigans on there. So I ask that you follow me there, as well as on Like to Know It. I do post sometimes advanced pictures or videos of outfits. So check me out there as well, and I'll put those links right down below. But this one is Loki when he was, I think, still the first puppy. So it was within that first couple weeks. And I wanted to ride my walk on my walking pad. And he was so fascinated by it that he had to join me. So he got the hang of it pretty quickly. Of course, I had to speed my walk up, and he left and didn't come back. He's tried a couple times to come back, but when it's moving too fast, he has no interest, and he he doesn't seem to want to engage again. But I did catch him when he did join me for a bit of a walk. All right, well, that's a wrap on Friday, and we got one more day, but it's the weekend. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. 63 degrees outside, getting up to almost 70 today. The sun's trying to come out. I think it's going to be a nice day. I'm alone at the moment because there was major chaos this morning, so we're taking it back a minute for some calm. And let's see, my Ana Luisa and Wantable video posted today. So many beautiful Ana Luisa pieces. I stuck with earrings this time. Please go check out their site for Mother's Day, birthdays, graduations, all the things yourself. You will love it. And they always have some really, really great deals. And for the Wantable, this one was my regular style edit. I did keep 5. I kept and I did size up. But I got and I just tried them on, they fit. So the Dear John leopard shorts. Yep, love those. Kept the joggers I think those were by Micah. Yep. And then the cutoffs, I love them. They were a Bermuda. Of course, the jacket with the striping. My sporty blazers, I guess. And of course, the Z Supply pants, which were beautiful. Love them. All right. For outfit of the day today, I have on a Z Supply dress I've been dying to wear. I got this last year and never got a chance to wear it. I have no idea why, but I didn't. Got it in a Wantable and paired it with these sandals you've seen before. Those are from Dolce Vita. And then my bracelet stack, hoop earrings, my necklace I've been wearing, and that's it. I'm ready to go. I think I'm ready. So we shall see. All right. I will list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I will let you know which box and put all the links for those, because if you use my links, you'll get money towards your first box. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so please do comment down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.